Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add parked car on Apple Maps. We can do this manually or automatically. So to add it manually you need to open Apple Maps and this blue point, this is my current location, and let's say I have my car right here. So firstly, press and hold at your current location, click on it, and now we can pin this location. So click mark my location and after that pin it. And now we can find this information if you click at the profile icon at the right side, move to the places, and in pin it we have my current location. You can rename it if you want to. You need to click at the information icon and then at the name, at the line with the name, remove the old one and call it like car parking. Then check mark, and now we have it, so you can find it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!